Hey, I'm Renee Hobbs, and here you are at my cell phone. And guess what? We're going to the Northeast Regional Media Literacy Conference. How cool! And we're going to be learning from Whitney Phillips in her keynote address. We're going to be getting Media Literacy 101 from the fabulous team at Project Look Sharp. And we're going to be meeting the filmmaker who created Trust Me, Are You Being Manipulated? But to do all of that, we're going to experience the conference fully online using a cool tool called Whova. Let me tell you how you can create your profile, pick sessions, and engage with the community using Whova. The first thing is to update your profile so it has all kinds of information that will help people find you. Create your profile first, and that will help others find you. Scroll through to select sessions, and you can learn more about each session before you decide which sessions you want to attend. When it's time for a session to begin, you just click the live stream button and voila, you enter the Zoom room for lively dialogue, conversation, and learning. One of the coolest things about going to a conference is the chance to meet so many interesting people. And with 300 people showing up at this event, there's a lot of opportunities because, as we like to say at the Media Education Lab, everyone learns from everyone. The fun part of Whova is the opportunity to engage with participants. You can interact with everybody, you can ask questions, you can share photos, you can trade ideas, you can network just like at a real conference. It's awesome!